In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tips, how to allocate a payment on account 5 minutes. A payment on account, sometimes called an overpayment or prepayment, is when money leaves your bank before there's a specific bill to match. Recording it properly in Xero makes sure your bank reconciliation stays clean and creates a balance you can allocate to a bill later. Here's how to do that from the bank reconciliation screen. Start by signing into Xero. On the login page, click Login, enter your email and password, and sign in. Once you're in, head to your dashboard so you can work from the bank account tile you're reconciling. On the dashboard, open the bank account that shows items to reconcile and click Reconcile Items. This takes you to the bank reconciliation screen where each bank line needs a match or explanation. Find the payment on account in your list and select it. With that bank line highlighted, choose Find and Match. Xero will search for existing bills, but since this is a payment without a bill, we'll create the correct type of transaction right from here. Click New Transaction. From the options, choose Spend Money. This opens a form to create the transaction Xero will match to the bank line. By default, the type may be set to direct payment. Change this to overpayment. That changes the key step. It tells Xero this is a payment held on the supplier's account, ready to be applied to a bill later, rather than an immediate expense to an account code. If you want, add a clear reference so it's easy to identify later, such as a note about a deposit or retainer. You can also edit the description to reflect the purpose of the payment. Keeping these notes specific will help you and your team when it's time to apply the overpayment. When everything looks right, click Save Transaction. You'll return to the reconciliation screen with the new overpayment lined up against that bank line. To finish, click Reconcile. The payment is now recorded as an overpayment and the bank line is cleared. Later, when a bill arrives from that supplier, you can apply this overpayment against it from the supplier's account or during bill payment so nothing gets duplicated. A few quick tips as you work. Double check the amount and date match the bank line. Ensure you're using the correct bank account if you have more than one. And use consistent references so overpayments are easy to find. If you accidentally save it as a direct payment, you can remove the match and redo the steps as an overpayment. That's it. Your payment on account is allocated correctly and ready to use.